In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Facebook using Google, focusing on posting a video to your Facebook profile. First, we'll start by opening up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you regularly use. Now, in the search bar, type in Facebook and press enter. This search will help you find the official Facebook website among the top results, so make sure you choose the one that says Facebook, log in, or sign up. Once you've clicked on the link to Facebook, you will be directed to the login page. This is where you can either log into your existing account or sign up if you're new to Facebook. Assuming you already have an account, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your profile. The next step is to locate your profile icon, which is usually found in the top right corner of your Facebook homepage. It's a small circular image that represents you or whatever image you have chosen as your profile picture. Click on that icon to go to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, you'll want to find the option to post on your timeline. Look for a button or link that says Photo Video. This option is typically located in the Status Update field where you can add posts. Clicking on this will open a new window where you can select media from your device. If you have a video ready that you'd like to share, now would be the time to select it from your computer or smartphone gallery. Once selected, Facebook will start the process for you to upload it. At this stage, you'll have the opportunity to provide a title for your video. Make sure you keep it engaging and descriptive, as it's the first thing your friends and followers will notice. It's also beneficial to consider adding a few hashtags related to the content of your video. Hashtags serve as a way for people to discover your video more easily if they're searching for content on a particular topic. Once you're satisfied with what you've written, there's a Post button, usually located at the bottom of the window. Clicking this will finalize your post to your profile page. Navigating through Facebook and even posting a video can sometimes seem daunting, but following these steps should help simplify the process. Remember, each step is designed to guide you clearly from logging in to making your first video post. Allow Facebook some time to upload depending on your internet connection speed and the size of the video. With a little patience, you'll see how seamless it is to connect with your audience by sharing videos on Facebook. Happy posting!